We have Minnesota Governor Tim Walz just announcing that there will be a special session of the legislature next Monday. Governor Walz plans to extend his COVID-19 peacetime emergency by 30 days. Right now, the governor is wrapping up a roundtable conversation to try to get a stronger hold on the spread of COVID-19. Susan Elizabeth Littlefield is live at the Department of Revenue where that meeting is just wrapping up. Tell us what they talked about, Susan Elizabeth.
Well, Aaron, I just walked out of that room right there. And you know, the first thing the governor said when he walked in the room and looked at these top health officials, he said, we can't let what's happening in Wisconsin, the spike they're seeing there, we can't let that happen in Minnesota. That was kind of the preface for the meeting today. Then they all sat down together in a very informal chat about a very urgent topic. There were physicians, a psychologist who actually lost her own mother to COVID-19, a man who had COVID so severely he was intubated. They talked together about the physical and emotional effects of COVID and what more could be done, including one of the physicians from Hennepin Healthcare whose whole family had COVID-19, and he talked about the gap in resources.
Yes, it was extremely challenging to take care of 4 kids while we were all sick with COVID-19, but we managed to make it through. It was terribly difficult. And I think so much about how hard it was for us and how much easier we have it than all the patients that I take care of.
As far as the mask mandate, you can see I'm wearing one right here. The governor said that he doesn't have a timeline or about how long this will last. He said we're really just looking at the virus, trying to track things, but he definitely gave the idea that these masks won't be going anywhere anytime soon.
All right. Thank you, Susan Elizabeth.